Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Electromechanical. Today we're going to be working on the Jeep. I just want to show you guys these aluminum rocker guards that I've got for the tub on the Jeep. Just got them in the mail. They are aluminum. I believe they're 16 gauge. So what we're going to do today is install these on the Jeep. Here I've got some tools. I got my drill, 1/8" drill bit, carbide bit. I have some 1/8" rivets. I bought a hand tool riveting gun from Harbor Freight. It comes with different styles. We're going to use the 1/8". This is plenty of thickness, and the tub will work just fine with these rivets here. So let's get over to the Jeep. Okay, so here you can see I have removed. I had an old one. It was a plastic from Extreme Terrain. They had a plastic one that didn't have any drilling, and I kind of got bored with it. The plastic started fading away, and I like the fact that the ones that I have now are a lot wider. This one was a little thin, so what I had to do is I had to drill out these rivets. Looks kind of nasty, but those had to go. So you get a flush surface, clean the area, and we'll do that for the other side as well. Okay, and then this side, we already have the rivets out for the stock fender flare, and just went ahead and with some soap and water cleaned the area real good, and they're ready for install. Okay, so I found the middle here, and we're gonna go ahead and drill this one all the way through. Okay, so we got it set up, and I drilled one hole. We got one rivet in so far. Looks pretty good. We're gonna keep drilling through the top. We got one here, little 1/8" holes, and then we'll do some pop rivets. Okay, so we just got the hole drill for the next one, and we're gonna go ahead and set that pop rivet in. So I got this tool from Harbor Freight. We just put the tip on for 1/8", and you'll load real quick the rivet into the gun like that, the hand riveter, and then you'll put this guy over the edge here until it's flush, and then you'll squeeze the trigger. You want to try to do this nice and square, just like that. And then you have a nice rivet there. You just pop it, it pops, and then you have a nice rivet there. Okay, we'll do this one too. Okay, we got the one side in, and looking pretty good. Now we're gonna do the passenger side. Alright guys, we got the 9 holes drilled on this side. We got 5 on the top and 4 on the bottom. We may go with a 5th one somewhere down at the bottom, but this one's ready to go on the tub. Okay, so like I said, here's the pop rivet handgun. Picked it up for pretty cheap at Harbor Freight. I think it's like $8. We're just gonna go ahead and load it in, and well, first I gotta drill the hole. Drill the hole. Alright. Once we got the hole drilled, set it in straight. Squeeze it. Okay, there you guys have it. Got the passenger side installed, and I'm liking the rivet flush mount. Looks pretty good, nice and clean, and we'll go ahead and try that out for a while, see how that does. I was thinking about painting them black. If they start to oxidize, maybe I'll take them back off and paint them black. But my least favorite part about this is actually drilling in the tub. but I think overall it's going to do a better job at protecting the tub, and it looks a lot better because of the width, and I kind of like it. Here's the driver's side. In case you guys haven't seen the front of my Jeep, I don't have the hijack on my hood, but there's my Jeep. Hey, if you guys like this video, and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, check out some of my other videos, and thanks for watching.